Hi everyone. So you've just filed for bankruptcy. Now what? If you're wondering what protections kick in immediately after filing, you are in the right place. I'm Martha Warrener, a California bankruptcy attorney with over 40 years experience. And today we're talking about the automatic stay. When you file a bankruptcy case, something powerful happens right away. Your creditors are immediately stayed from taking any action to collect what you owe. It's called the automatic stay, and it's found in Section 362 of the Bankruptcy Code. Think of it as a legal force field that goes up the moment you file. If all of your debts are unsecured, things like credit cards, medical bills, or personal loans, your creditors cannot contact you and they cannot do anything to collect from you. And if you do not have any non-exempt assets, which most Chapter 7 debtors don't, the game is essentially over for your creditors. On the other hand, if your debts are secured by assets like your home or your car, things work a little differently. To collect what you owe or proceed with foreclosure, the creditor has to get relief from the automatic stay. To do that, the creditor files a motion with the bankruptcy court, sets it for a hearing, gives you notice, and demonstrates a valid reason. Usually that reason is because their interest is not adequately protected, either due to missed payments or because you don't have any equity in the property. Let's talk about car loans. If you have an auto loan, the creditor usually will not seek relief from stay as long as you keep your payments current. In California, that's all you need to do because state law prevents repossession so long as your payments are up to date. Your lender may often ask you to reaffirm your car loan. If you owe more than the car is worth, reaffirming it is rarely a good idea. And since reaffirmation agreements require court approval, there's not much a lender can do if you choose not to reaffirm. I have another video that explains this in more detail, so feel free to check that one out. Now here is something important. If your home is in foreclosure when you file, you will probably need to file a Chapter 13 instead of a Chapter 7. A Chapter 13 stops any pending foreclosure and gives you time to make up your missed payments through the Chapter 13 plan. But this only works if you can keep your payments current going forward. If not, your plan will likely not be confirmed, and sooner or later the case will be dismissed. Even if your post-petition payments are current, you still need to show that you have equity in the property if you want to defend a relief from stay motion. Equity is the fair market value of the property minus the consensual liens against it, like your mortgage. A judgment lien is not a consensual lien. You can establish fair market value by getting a written opinion from a local real estate broker or from websites like Zillow, but they're only useful if you have substantial equity. If the lender challenges your valuation, you may need a more formal appraisal. So here's the bottom line. Even if your lender does not seek or obtain relief from stay, the stay itself does not last forever. It lasts only while the property is part of your bankruptcy estate. In practical terms, that means it lasts only until you receive your discharge or your case is dismissed or closed. This is why it's important to keep payments current and to handle your secured debts through a Chapter 13 plan. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial and legal guidance. This video is for educational purposes only and is not legal advice. Every situation is unique, so please consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney in your area for advice specific to your case. If you are considering bankruptcy or simply want more clarity on your various options, you can schedule a free half-hour consultation with me by calling 760-409-7705 or emailing me martha@bankruptcysage.com. My contact information is also linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.